Good morning, guys. My name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today, guys, I will show you how easy you can create commercial product advertisement in Adobe Dimension. So, guys, let's start. Let me switch to my desktop camera just like this. And guys, don't be shy. Let's have conversation. Ask me and I will answer. So, as you can see, I have opened Adobe Dimension, and on the left corner of my welcome screen, you can see I have option Create New. If I will click on Create New, Dimension will create a document in the size I used last time. If I will click on these three dots, I will be able to create a document in any size I like. I can specify canvas size, canvas unit, resolution, scene unit. So guys, as you can see, you can customize your document in a way you like. Let's close it, and I will create my document in the size I used last time. Now guys, I have simple blank document, and first of all, what I would like to do, I would like to adjust horizontal line. Usually I'm adjusting horizontal line the first things, but because today we will be working on commercial advertisement and I will be using image as a background layer, first of all I will add my background layer. You can add background layer, background image from images library. By the way, all these amazing images are free for you, as well as models, materials and a light. But if you would like to bring another image, your own image or your customer image or image you purchase, you can do it as well. Switch starter asset. Let me show. Click on starter asset and switch to Creative Cloud library. Here you can specify Creative Cloud library with image you would like to use. I remember that my image I will be using today is in my Adobe stock library. Here I have all my images I downloaded and licensed from Adobe stock, and as I said just a second ago, you can use any image you wish. To add any image from Creative Cloud library into your Dimension opened document, simply click on this image and voila, Dimension will add this image to your document. Now I can adjust my horizon line. I will highlight horizon tool and I will bring horizon line down, and I will adjust angle just like this. Now guys, I will switch back to Dimension Starter Assets library, and here I have, you have as well models we can work with. I will click on this coffee cup and I don't need to do anything else. Dimension will add this fully customizable 3D object into my document. I will switch to my universal tool, select tool, and I will move my cup somewhere in here, and also I will increase size of my cup just like that. So now we clearly can see that we are talking about coffee commercial. I love coffee. Now guys, because we can customize our 3D object, let me enlarge it just like this. We can add a label, we can add material, we can add a light, and we will do all this just in a second. Before that, I would like to add another 3D object. I will click on this takeout box, and again Dimension did all a job. I will move it on a distance just like this, and I'm happy with my takeout box. Maybe guys, maybe I will rotate it. Yes, exactly. Now we have a more interesting takeout box. Now, before we will add light, I would like to customize my 3D object. First of all, I will start with my coffee cup, just like that. If you will look on your in your scene panel, just like that, let me zoom, just like that. You can see that we have all our objects. In here we have environment, light, camera, coffee cup, and takeout box. Our 3D objects, coffee cup and takeout box, are separated by folders. But what if I would like to apply different materials to different parts of my 3D object? How can I do this? It's easy. I will click on a coffee cup folder, I will expand it, and here guys you can see that we have cup and lid, and we can customize these details separately, just like this. First of all, what I will do, I will click on cup and I will switch to default dimension library. Here guys we have two types of materials. We have Adobe standard materials and we have substance materials. It's up to you what you would like to prefer. If you will use Adobe standard materials, all materials comes with a standard adjustment sliders. If you will use substance materials, each material is unique. Each material has different sliders, different parameters, so you can create definitely more dramatic and more detailed material. So what I will do here, I have, and you have as well, stripped material. I will click striped material, I will click on it, and voila, I like this material. But guys, because we are working on food commercial and our background is very bright summer day, I would like to create something more in more bright colors and create more happier commercial. So how can I change applied a material? It's easy guys. In properties panel we have all necessary tools we can use to adjust our material. First of all, I will click on color, blue color, and I will change it to yellow, just like that. Maybe it's too screaming, oh it's yellow color, but guys, let's do it. And when I change color of my material, I can also change roughness, apply a more or less metallic effect to my material. Now guys, I will add change another color. I will click on color 2 icon and I will change it to black. And again, I can change roughness and apply more or less metallic effect to my material. And third color, I will use a red color, just like this. And voila, I change color of my material. So if you like or love some material but you would like to have this material in different colors, you can change color at any time. Hi. Now what about our lid? I will be back to my scene panel, and here guys, as I said just a few minutes ago, we have separate a lid 3D object. I will click on it, and if I would like to open my coffee cup, can I do it? Of course. I will move it just like that. I will rotate it and I will bring it down just like this. And maybe I will, no, not like this, and maybe I will rotate it more, just like this. And now we have more artistic commercial. Now time to change color of our lid. and material. Here guys also we have a lot material we can use. I will click on, let's see, plastic plastic material, just like this. And guys, again, I like this material, but I don't like this color. I will click on base color in properties panel, just like this, and I will change color of my coffee cup lid. I can bring image, or I can change color. Also guys, I can use a simple eyedropper tool to sample color from my coffee cup. I will click on it. I will click on this yellow color, and voila. What I would like to do guys, let's see. Oh no, I will not. I will be not changing a glow value. So this is, you know guys, I don't like yellow color. I will change color to black. Yes, much better. I like it. So now I will be back to my scene panel, and time to customize our takeout box. I will click on takeout box folder. I will expand it, and here guys we have all separate objects we can adjust, we can customize. I will click on bottom lid, and here we have very nice material, polyester, just like this. And of course guys, I will change color to yellow. Yeah, let's use yellow color again. A lot of yellow today. And I can change roughness. I can add a less or more metallic effect to my material. I will move my metallic effect to about 0.5. Now I will highlight my top lid. I will apply same material, and I will change to same yellow color. And guys, did you notice that in dimension, if you will click on color palette, dimension will remember all colors you used in your current document. This is awesome. What I will do, I will increase roughness value to 0.75, and also I will increase metallic. I will move metallic slider to about 0.44, and I'm happy. Yes, I try Substance app, amazing, and thank you. So now guys, I will customize my takeout box sleeve. I can add material, or I can leave this sleeve as it is. Why? I will show this, I will tell you why just in a second. Now, because we are working on commercial, definitely we need to apply a logo or brand to our 3D objects. I will highlight my coffee cup. I will switch to images, assets. Yes guys, you can create, and definitely you should create your own brand or a label, or your client will provide you with it. Or if you are working on your client project from scratch, definitely you need to create it by yourself. But to save our time, I will be using today a default brand, a logo from Dimension library. And if you would like to learn how you can create a logo from scratch in Illustrator or Photoshop and add it to your Dimension project, just let me know, and I will show you how easy you can do it. So now I will click on this brand logo. Oh, I'm sorry, I will not click it. I will click it and drag it into my coffee cup. In our properties panel, guys, we have two options. We can apply our logo like decal or fill. I will show you differences. If you would like to apply it like fill, you will fill entire cup with this logo. If you would like to apply this brand logo as decor, you will apply just to part of your cup. And definitely, guys, you can move it. You can make it bigger or smaller. It's up to you. Also, guys, you can change opacity, roughness. I increased roughness to 100%, and you can increase or decrease metallic effect. I will leave metallic effect value to 0%. I'm happy with it. It's nice. What else? I will be back to our scene panel, and here, guys, I will highlight take out box sleeve like I promised a few seconds ago. And I will use same logo. I will click on it and I will drag it into my sleeve object. I will rotate it and I will apply it like fill. And definitely I can rotate it, I can adjust it in the way I like. I will increase roughness to 100%, metallic to 0%, and opacity 100%. And voila, guys, look at this. Now let's talk about our light. We had our background image with a specific light. As you can see, light comes from our left top corner. I will go back to our scene panel. I will click on environment. And here, guys, I will click on match image. I will click on it, and dimension will ask me, do you want to resize canvas to image aspect ratio, create light and match camera perspective? Yes, please. I will click OK. No, you know what? No, not in this case. You know what I will do? Yeah, you can add let's say in this way, you can match your background image light, and you will be happy with it. But I will show to you another way. I will click on starter assets light library, and here, guys, we have a lot of light ready to use. We have directional light, my favorite lights. I love them a lot. Look at this. And we have environment light. Environment lights are very powerful. We have a lot of different lights. And because we are working again on let me do like this, and we are working on our summer commercial, I would like to add kind of warm light. I can add studio warm key light or sun light. I will add sun light just like that. I will click on it, and voila, look at this. We have very warm light applied to our document. But what if I would like to customize my light? In properties panel, here, guys, I can customize my light in the way I like. I can change color, I can change intensity, I can change rotation. Let's talk about rotation, guys, because as I said just a second ago, we have a light sun on our top left corner. Definitely the area next to close to us and close to camera will be our shadow area. So I rotated my sun to about -91, and voila. Also, we can change high. I change a high value to 69, and we can increase or decrease cloudness. I will move my cloudness slider to about 33%, and voila guys, I'm very happy with my project. Now time to send this project to our client for a review. How we can do it? Before we will do this, I would like to bring your attention to this. If you will click to this plus icon, just like that, you will expand it, and here guys, we have very helpful resources. Let's show to you. We have very helpful resources. Example, if you will click on Adobe stock, you will be redirected to Adobe stock with let me click on it, with where you can find free collection, business collection, or 3D models you would like to use. And I have a lot, more than 500 free 3D models I downloaded from Adobe stock. If you will click on Creative Cloud Library, you will be redirected to your Creative Cloud Library. Starter assets, it's our default library. If you will click to browse Substance source, you will be redirected to a Substance website, and you can import your contents. So guys, go and browse them. Hi, thank you so much. Now when I'm happy with everything and I want to send this project to my client, but I will not render it before I will hear answer from my client if she or he likes it, or they want me to change something or add something. I can share my project with my client super easy. I will click on this share icon just like that. I will click on it, and now guys, I can share this project with my client via web, just like this. I will click on publish 3D scene. I will rename it summer day, and I will create a public link. Now I will give dimension just a few seconds to analyze my document, create a 3D scene, create public link, and I can send this link to my client. It's very convenient, and I love this option a lot. So as you can see, dimension created a link. I can copy link and send this link to my client, or I can click view on web, and I will show to you our project we just created with you. Let's see. Look at this, guys. This is what your client will see. Your client can rotate your 3D document, 3D object. Your client can leave your live comment. Hello, I like it, just like this, and you can reply. Thank you. Yeah, and submit. So guys, this is super easy. Now I will show to you another way of creating projects for your client. You know what I will do? I will create a new document. I will not save this document, just like that. And now I will switch to my Creative Cloud library with image I shot a few years ago, about 2 years ago, in my studio for my client. I will click on this image, and again, dimension did the job. So I shot this image for my client, and after a few days she came back to me and she said, Victoria, I forgot to ask you, is it possible to add a coffee cup to this image? Because she was working on coffee brand and she wants to expand her business. I said, definitely I can. So this is my image I shot in my studio. I will switch to horizon tool, I will change horizon line just like that. I will switch back to my starter assets, to my same coffee cup, just like that. I will switch to my move tool and I will enlarge my cup. I will move it just like this, and now guys, I can do anything I like. I can add, I can change a material. I can, example, let's do something very unusual. Let's add this laser material, just like that. I can add text, I can add light. Let's see, I can add studio warm key. And now guys, after we created new line, we can change rotation. Pay attention to your original image. If you will look at these eggs and bagels, light comes from top right corner. So I will I will rotate my light somewhere here, just like this, and I can change intensity of my cup, something like this. So guys, this is how easy you can create your commercial ad for your client or for yourself in Adobe Dimension. You can start your project from scratch. You can use your image as your background image. You can do anything you like. And again guys, if you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for all your support. Super appreciated. And I will see you next time. Bye guys.